Hi everyone, my name is Enrica Melissa Panjaitan. I'm an information system student in Binus International University in Jakarta, Indonesia. Now, I'm going to tell you how to connect C# and SQL Server Management Studio. So I'm going to explain you how to connect the C# and database. So the first thing is you have to make the database in SQL Server Management, and I'm going to open the project. I name it Library App. So I have made the Windows Form application and Form 1. To connect the C# and SQL, you just have to click View, Server Explorer, and then click the button Connect to Database. Name your server name, and then your database name. So the next is I'm making the new Windows form. The name is Member Details, and then I have these label and text box, and then these are the buttons: get button, save, update, and delete. And then I'm going to double click, and then the first thing you have to do is type the using system data SQL client, type SQL connection con, and new SQL connection. This is the name of connection string. You can get it from Server Explorer, and then click use.library.dbo, and then connection string, copy, then you got this semicolon. And then the next is SQL adapter. This is to type or query from SQL, and then select from MS member. So when you type member ID, you will get all of the details of the members, include all the status, name, address, and phone. Next is save button. So I'm going to double click the save button, and then the same with above, and then the difference is you have to insert into the name of the table, which is MS member, and the columns that you want to insert, and the values are the blank text box. So here I'm going to insert all of the columns in tables MS member, and then cmd execute one query and close the connection. So the next is update button. I'm going to double click update button. So the codes basically are almost same with save button. The difference is just in the SQL command. Here you will type update the table name MS member and set what columns that you want to update. So here I'm just want to update member address and member phone, where it means that when I type member ID, I can update the address and phone number, and then I execute and close the connection. The last code is delete button. The codes are almost the same with the previous codes. Different is just delete from what tables that you want to delete and what conditions that you want to make, and then close the connection. So now I'm going to try my application. To fill the text box, I'm going to save it, and then now I'm going to data. Now I'm going to update my data, so I input my member ID first, and then what I am going to update is address and phone. So I'm going to put it as BSDCD and phone update, and then see what happened. Data become BSDCD. And then I'm going to try delete root first my member ID and click delete. See, all the data of number 2 is deleted.